This existential dread is one of the reasons that the suicide rate is enormous in our young people, that 18 to 35-year-olds. They have taken in all this gunk, all the TV, the social media, the constant stream of spiritual gurus selling spirituality. They've taken all this in and internalized it and have developed all of this tremendous fear. Minimize it, simplify, 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 turn off what you can, focus instead on the internal. The external is fear. The internal you is the eternal divine. So when we breathe, when we enter the silence, we're connecting with that internal, eternal Holy Spirit.